Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the new video of GK for Sure Success. And friends, please share, subscribe, like and hit the bell icon for all future updates. Okay, in this video we'll be discussing some important questions of biology. So let's begin. The first question, what is the function of kidney? Your options are, it cleans the blood by filtering it and removing the waste product. B. It regulates mineral in the body and produces hormones. C. Both first and second are correct. D. Only first is correct. So the answer is C, which means both first and second are correct. So kidney not only cleans the blood by filtering it and also removing the waste product, it also regulates mineral in the body and produces certain hormones. And it also balances the body fluid, and it not only releases the hormones in your body but also regulates your blood pressure. And one of the major function is also that it produces an active form of vitamin D, which is very essential for your healthy bones. And when we talk about renal veins, difference between renal vein and renal artery, so the function of renal vein in kidney is that it carries filter blood from kidney to heart, whereas renal arteries they carry unfiltered blood from heart to kidney. Okay, now moving on to the next question. The female reproductive system creates egg cells that are essential for reproduction are known as, your options, menstrual cycle, B. pregnancy, C. fertilization, or D. ova. So the answer is option D. As you can see, the answers are given in the video, but try to do it yourself first and then we'll discuss the correct answer. But try to do it yourself first. Okay. So ova is nothing but it is plural form of ovum, and ovum is your an egg produced by woman or female animal. Now moving on to the next question. A fungal skin infection that usually begins between the toes of a human being is called influenza, athlete's foot, typhoid, or none of the above. तो एक फंगल इन्फेक्शन है जो जनरली उंगलियों के बीच में हो जाता है, उसको क्या कहते हैं? So the answer is athlete foot. And athlete foot is actually an fungal infection and it occurs due to sweat. और उसका नाम एथलीट फुट होने का कोई ऐसा कोई रीज़न नहीं है, बट एक्चुअली जैसे एथलीट्स के फुट ज़्यादा इट स्वेट्स अ लॉट, सो इट इज़ लिंक्ड टू दैट. Okay, moving on to the next question. Which one of the following is the smallest endocrine gland in human body? So your options are pancreas, thyroid, pituitary, or adrenal. So in this question we have to determine the smallest. So the answer is option C, which is pituitary gland, and it is also called master gland as it secretes many essential hormones. And talking about endocrine glands are organs that make hormones that are released directly into blood, and they travel to your tissues and organs and to all over the body. And we are talking about endocrine glands, like example pituitary gland is also your endocrine gland, thyroid gland is also endocrine, and even adrenal is also endocrine gland. and you can see in the diagram all the major endocrine glands are given or shown. Now moving on to the next question. Which one of the following protein is found in nails? So your options are keratin, histone, actin, or elastin. So girls must be knowing this answer. So the answer is A, that is keratin. Okay, now moving on to the next question. Crude oil is sometimes termed as sweet because it is option mildly sweet due to low sulfur content, B less acidic, C sweet in taste due to dissolved sugar, D less alkaline. So crude oil is your kacha tel. So answer is A, that is mildly sweet due to low sulfur content. इसमें सल्फर कंटेंट कम हो मतलब हल्का होता है, उससे एक मीठा उसमें फील आता है. Moving on to the next question. Intestinal bacteria synthesizes which of the following in human body? जो आंतों में बैक्टीरिया होता है वो कौन सा इन सब में से बॉडी में प्रोड्यूस करता है? सिंथेसिस हियर मीन्स प्रोडक्शन. Okay, the answer is vitamin K. That is option B. And vitamin K is your fat soluble vitamin. And other fat soluble vitamins are A, D, and E. And talking about water soluble, it's B and C. And the important function of vitamin K, if we see, is clotting, or it helps in clotting blood and building of bones. Okay, now moving on to the next question. Which phenomenon do bats or dolphins use to find prey, predators, or obstacles? Your options are refraction of sound, echolocation, formation of beats, scattering of sounds. So the answer is option B, which is echolocation. And echolocation is actually a process of determining a location of an object by reflecting sounds. As you can see, I mean, the same process we use in technology like sonar or even in radars. Okay, now moving on to the next question. The old and worn out red blood corpuscles are destroyed in. Your options are A, liver, B, spleen, C, stomach, or D, bone marrow. तो जो पुराने और ख़राब आरबीसी होते हैं वो कहाँ जाके डिस्ट्रॉय होते हैं? सो द आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज स्प्लीन, जिसे हिंदी में प्लीहा कहते हैं, और उसे ग्रेवयार्ड ऑफ आरबीसी भी कहते हैं. ओके, टॉकिंग अबाउट स्प्लीन. सो स्प्लीन also stores and filters blood, and it makes WBC, that is wide blood corpuscles, and it also protects you from infections, क्योंकि WBC बनेगा तो वो आपको हेल्प करता है फाइटिंग अगेंस्ट एनी इलनेस. सो मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. If waste materials contaminate the source of drinking water, which of the following disease will spread? So your options are scurvy, typhoid, malaria, or D, anemia. So the answer is B, that is typhoid. और स्कर्वी आपको पता है विटामिन सी की कमी से होता है, मलेरिया मच्छर काटने से होता है, और एनीमिया हीमोग्लोबिन या आरबीसी की कमी से, मतलब आयरन की कमी से होता है. Okay friends, that's all for now. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching. And till we meet next, take care of yourself. Thank you.